Hi guys, today I want to show you how I make this product photo without props, but use the lamp what I use for photography and use the shadows for make interesting photo. If you don't know me, I am Monica from Fotoinshadows and I am food and product photographer. And on my channel, you can find a lot of video about food, product photography, how to work with lights, how to work with studio lights like artificial light, and editing your photo. But if you want speed your photography, you can book with me online consultation. This online consultation is about photography. You choose the topic, what you want to grow in photography, what you have problem, or maybe you are not sure how to use camera, how to work with artificial light like these lights or more things. You can book with me online consultation, 1 hour. You choose the topic, what you want to grow. I find the best resolution for you, for your topic, what you want to grow. But all information you find in link below. But now, back for the topic today, how to do product photography without props, but use lights what you use for photography, make beautiful photo with the shadows. First things what is, you choose the product what you photography. Today I photography these kerns and I study little this product before I shoot. It means I check how looks the product, which color is on the product choice for show the product, how looks the company, the same, like company use that bright colors, maybe is different type, is dark mood photography or different. I always study the company before I start to photography some product. This is my personal project that I chose blue background for show this product because I see few things on these scans and is the colors is blue, and I think will be nice to match with this with the blue background. That's I chose blue background for photography this product. Before we photography the product, remember about clean product, not only one time, all the time. Clean your product because on this product on the cans is okay, but if you have glass product or different type of the product, every fingerprint you will see on the product. And the best things for clean the product is microfiber the clothes. Believe me, because don't leave any dust on your product when you clean the product. It's perfect. And you know, this is something what you don't spend later in post-production so much time for clean this product. You will be save the time and you will be say this is good tip when you photography the product. When you choose the product what you will be photography, you study your company or you have some idea what you want to do with the project. Next things is choose the background. I use today this blue background like you see, the company Club backdrop. Believe me, I love this background. It's vinyl background, easy to clean, easy to roll, nothing happen. Very good company for buy the background in UK. Have good quality the background with different texture, different color. I really happy I find this company here in UK and I have background from this company. And another things, when you photography product, don't forget clean your background. This is very important thing. Sometimes I forget and later when I editing, I'm a little angry with myself why I didn't clean the background, why I didn't focus on background. I focus only on product to clean. But that is another tip, and remember about this. Another things what you will be need for make this photo is lamp. I use today 1 and 2nd lamp. I show you different when I photography with 1 lamps. Why I use two lamps artificial light. One is Godox SL150, another is Godox SL60W. Now I show you why I use 2 lamp. Because I switch off this 1 lamp and you see it's too dark. For me, I like to have like bands, 1 lights would go to the ceiling, the bands, and back to the product and more bright. If I use 1 lamp, it's not enough. Of course, you can work with 1 lamp. You put here the white board, this side, you bounce the lights, and you have more bright the product. But I have 2 lamps, and I want to use these 2 lamps for photography, and for me, it's better, more easy, more faster. But you, of course, you can work with 1 lamp. You don't need 2 lamps. But now I show you first shoot and explain you how to work with the lamp and the shadows what will be make more easy your job and show the product more interesting, only use the shadow. I set up my product here, and I have show the shadows this way. My light is coming from here, and I want take photo front and show these shadows. And my light is close for the product. If I put more close, the shadows will be less shadows. If you move the light to the left, you see the shadows is straight away is bigger. When we put the light up, I put the lights closer and I put up, my lights the same, straight away disappearance is smaller, and like you see is smaller lights. But down the lights, one moment, you see I have longer the shadows straight away. My product is more bright, but the longer the shadows. That's work with the lights. I put now the position what I want. Of course, you can always put the front. If you put more in front the light, your shadow will be go here down. That will be changed all the time, your light. And the shadows change when you manage. When I set up my lights, I like how looks my product and how looks the shadows. Now it's time for set up camera, and I always use the tripod, because first I have flexible if I must to change something on the my styling. Another things, I know the photo will be sharp, no blur when I use the tripod. And now is set up my camera. I use the ISO 400. You can use low. It's better use low than higher, because you will be have gravy later, and so much time you spend for editing. That is good to use low ISO. Another thing is aperture. If I want to have sharp photo, all product must be sharp. I start to use the aperture from number 7 to go to the bigger number and check what is the best for me. For this shoot exactly, I use 11. But shutter speed, I have here, I say you, the shutter speed, I have 100. 1 to 100. I focus, take sharp on my product. I'm happy how looks my product. One thing what I can do, I can change the position, the lights and work with the shadows. But another things, this is good example the photo. You can do later from this one photo. You can repeat pattern on your photo, like I done here on this photo. Another photo what you can do with the same product, make more interesting, you change the angle what you will be photography and angle your product. You can put your product straight like this, but I don't like the shadows here. That's I move my camera, my lights little, because I want shadow in the back, like that, something. Of course, here is little black side than this. This is more bright. What I use, I put from opposite side the whiteboard, and now I have more bright this part what I like, and I will be use something to put this here. Okay, we have that jar. This is perfect example like how you change only position your product from flat lay to maybe 45 degrees, and you can do different type of the photo, but change only these two things and still work with the shadows and make interesting this photo. Another type of the photography what you can use here, we completely change the setup. We use different angle for photography this product to make more attractive, but this time I want to show you, you can use your hand for photography and make the same more interesting this product with your hand. And now I change the position, the background, little high from the far. We put the product, we take the angle down the photo. Of course, you can use whiteboard. You can use box if you have after shoes, you have white box. It's very good for photography. But I have like, that's why things, but I think is better. I put the product here and I take from bottom. I will be want to take the photo. We'll see how looks everything set up, the shadows, everything. I like this is, and the shadows is on the bottom part, like so much. I like these things. I move little my and lights. I put up. This side I probably use the whiteboard to bounce these lights, make more bright. From this setup, you can make two photo. One photo, you put here camera, the same position camera all the time. From the front, go from down, and you have nice background, blue background. And now here bottom is nice shadows, amazing shadows. That is one photo what you can do. Another photo what you can do is use your hand, like you see on the background is shadow, and you think where will be the best when I want touching this product. Well, the best, like I coming with my hand and do that photo. Is something interesting, more interesting, show the movement. You don't use any props, you use your hand. It was very easy to do product photography without props. Use only the product what you have, the lights what you use for photography, and use the shadows to make interesting the photo. Like you see on these three photos, I change only position the shadows, position the product angle, and from different angle I take the shoot. This was the things what I changed. I don't use any props. I use the basic stuff what I have in my studio, and I believe you can do the same. Let me know in the comment which photo you like the best.